Ya cumplí mi sueño y ahora tengo que meterle muchos chavos vine para gastarlo en el hotel. Par de panas míos que ya no quieren ni verme. Manera de pensar son otros niveles. Ven y háblame de frente. Yo le tengo que dar gracias a Dios por todo lo que me dio. Yo le tengo que dar gracias a Dios por todo lo que me dio. Se me hace muy fácil. Se me hace muy fácil. Esto pa' mí es muy fácil. Esto pa' mí es fácil. Yeah. This shit is too easy.
So what's up? Welcome in, welcome in. Put this scene right here. Boom, we in here. Welcome in. All right, what's up, Back Alley World? Today I'm here to show you the in and outs on Avalanche, what I do, and the game called Pizza Game, a pretty cool game that I'm going to show you in and out on how to get started. So if you do got a MetaMask, make sure you get the Avalanche C-Chain network on the MetaMask. I could explain a video below on a link. Make sure to use chainlist.org and connect your wallet to that and go ahead and get the Avalanche network. Okay, so first you want to be able to connect your wallet here on traderjoexyz.com. You're going to want to see once you do have AVAX in here, make sure to get some pizza. Pizza right now is about 0.0019, around 0.002, maybe less than a penny right there. So basically with this pizza, it's gonna be minting around 40,000 for one of the avatars. So Pizza.game essentially is a game that you mint these NFTs for pizza. And right now we're in the Gen 1. So Gen 0 is already minted out. Gen 1 is just about to be minted out. Each one costs 40,000, right? Each little chef. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I got. So right now I have three of these chefs that are working and earning pizza, right? And then you can see how much pizza is worth. They're being staked right now. And then the reason why this one is gold is because there was a 5% chance to mint a Master Chef. And that was a pretty rare one. I got out of the last claim. That was pretty cool on the third one. Okay, so right now, and there's plenty of things to do. It's just like Trader Joe. The mechanics is pretty simple. There's a nice white paper and documents to read on. It's pretty welcoming. It's just like farming in TraderJoeXYZ.com, basically. The in and out is pretty cool. I like the liquidity on the pizza and the soda and kind of like interactive with the levels that you need some soda to level up to get less percentage fee because they do take percentage fee on the pizza. But there's a pro tip that I feel like, a lot of stakers do. If you do basically go ahead and stake it in the pizza bank, there's a way to, instead of claiming it, and you want to put more in it, so make sure you just put more in it, stake it, and it automatically claims it for you in the MetaMask wallet. So my favorite two things to stake here is the pizza bank and the soda fountain. The pizza bank, obviously, I feel like the mechanics of pizza. Every time they deduct, it gets burned and sent 10% to the freezer. So basically, I feel like the value of pizza should be able to go up in just in due time. And the soda fountain is pretty dope. Soda, I think it's the most valuable thing here. So if you do have some LP, some extra pizza and AVAX, make sure to go to Trader Joe. You can go to the pool, right? And then you can set up, you go to pizza, right? And then you make sure you do a pool on this. So you want to add the amount of pizza you want to put and the amount of AVAX. You create the LP token, right? And then that LP token, you put it back here and then you stake it. Pretty simple. Now I'm earning 1.85 soda a day, which is pretty cool. And then each one is $5.11. The mechanic is cool. We're in the Mafia boss right now. There is no Mafia guy in there, but it's pretty cool. Like you bribe the guy so he doesn't take the fee. And then it's like a lottery. So like you get in there and then on the Discord they raffle out the winners, the address winners. So yeah, a pretty cool mechanics in Pizza. I can't wait to see new updates, and I like the 8-bit characters and everything, especially the gold one. So yep, just a little rundown of Pizza Game on the Avalanche Network. Peace out, y'all.